Ever stared at your budget, wishing it could just know what's going on with your money without you having to manually punch in every single transaction? That's the allure of linking your bank account to budgeting apps like YNAB. You need a budget. It promises seamless tracking and a real-time view of your financial life. But a little voice in the back of your head might be whispering, is this actually safe? You're not alone in that concern. In an increasingly digital world, the security of our financial data is paramount. The thought of a third-party app having direct access to your bank account can feel unsettling, and it's wise to approach this with caution and do your due diligence. So, let's dive into the heart of the matter. Is it safe to link your bank account to an app? The short answer is, generally, yes, but with important nuances and considerations. YNAB employs several security measures designed to protect your financial information. They utilize secure, bank-level encryption to communicate with financial institutions. This means the data exchanged between YNAB and your bank is scrambled and unreadable to unauthorized parties. Think of it like a secret language that only YNAB and your bank understand. Furthermore, YNAB doesn't actually store your full banking credentials. Instead, they use a third-party service, Plaid, to handle the connection to your bank. Plaid is a reputable company that specializes in securely connecting financial accounts to various apps and services. They act as a middleman, ensuring that YNAB only receives the necessary transaction data without ever having direct access to your login details. This separation of access adds an extra layer of security. YNAB also emphasizes a read-only access approach. This means that while they can see your transactions, they cannot initiate any transfers, payments, or changes to your bank accounts. Their role is purely observational, helping you track and categorize your spending. However, like with any online service, there are inherent risks involved. Data breaches, though rare, can happen. While YNAB and Plaid invest heavily in security protocols, no system is entirely foolproof. It's crucial to understand that linking your bank account introduces a potential point of vulnerability, however small. To mitigate these risks, there are steps you can take. Firstly, ensure you are using strong, unique passwords for your YNAB account and your bank accounts. Enable two-factor authentication whenever possible for an added layer of security. This makes it significantly harder for unauthorized individuals to gain access, even if they somehow obtain your password. Secondly, be mindful of the permissions you grant to any app. While YNAB's read-only access is a significant safety feature, it's always good practice to understand what data an app is accessing and why. Finally, stay informed about YNAB's security practices and any updates they may release. A reputable company will be transparent about their security measures and proactive in addressing potential vulnerabilities. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to link your bank account to YNAB is a personal one. The convenience of automatic transaction syncing can save you significant time and effort, providing a more accurate and up-to-date view of your finances. YNAB's security measures and reliance on trusted partners like Plaid offer a reasonable level of protection. However, understanding the inherent risks and taking proactive steps to secure your accounts is essential. Consider your own comfort level with sharing financial data with third-party apps. Weigh the convenience against the potential risks. If you're still hesitant, you can always opt for manual transaction entry, although it requires more effort. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.